Hi guys, Scala here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, there are some things I wanted to put across to my subscribers, to my fans. One is when I opened this channel, I opened it primarily for creating or posting content concerning the technology, that is tech content. But then on the way, I developed other interests in other content. Okay, I'm a versatile guy. That's one thing you should know. I like to be versatile. I don't like doing one thing. I like to have skills to do different things. So basically, I started uploading videos of other content which doesn't concern technology. And I've realized that my channel stagnated, whereby I started getting less views, started getting less watch hours. And basically I think it's because of my change in interest in content. So basically I've decided that I'm going to create another channel which will be specifically for other content, that is interviewing and other funny skits, while the one that I had originally created, which is the first channel for the tech videos, that will be specifically for tech videos. So that's what I wanted to tell you. And secondly, I'm very sorry that nowadays I don't post content like I used to. I'm not consistent with posting my content or uploading my videos, and it's because I have to work. I have to go to work, and I work from 8 to 5. So when I come back home in the evening, I'm really tired because the work I'm doing, it involves a lot of thinking. So I use the brain so much, and when I come back home, I'm really tired. Editing videos is not easy. You can take up to 6 hours or 5 hours to edit just a 2-minute video or a 3-minute video. So it's not that easy. But I'm not saying that I'll stop uploading videos. I'm not saying that I'll stop. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm not a guy that gives up very easily. So I promise you that I'm going to try as much as possible. I'm going to try my best to make new content, or to make content regularly for my subscribers. That is a promise that I'm giving you to you, starting this February. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're a new subscriber, kindly hit the subscribe and give me a like. Thank you so much. Ciao.